Alright guys, just a bit of watering. I noticed the Zlatava tomatoes, some of those are ready, so ooh, come here. We'll have some of them. And also in the basket, these are the Rainbow Drops F1. Don't know if you remember, there's three plants. There's a choice, well, the Rainbow Drops come in three colours, red, orange and yellow. And it looks like I've got red, orange and red. You see the red ones there? Yeah. So let's grab a couple of those as well, eh? Bonus. I'm not going to do a taste test just yet. I can have these in my salad. Should use two hands really. One more. Come on. Don't leave those ones over there. Loads coming, look, loads of them. So there we are then, a quick mini harvest. That's the Lata tomatoes. I was wrong when I said Zlatava. The Rainbow Drops mixed tomatoes, we got orange and red like I said, and my first ever dragon's egg cucumber. A couple of weeks ago I mentioned how my SSPC spuds aren't doing very well. And a couple of people mentioned in the comments, well, it could be the fennel that was growing here. It could be the fennel is, well, stopping them growing because as everyone knows, and I know, fennel slows things down. And I've taken the fennel out. And these, let's try and, they've like shot up now. Brilliant. Anyway, speaking of spuds, let's go down here past the beans and the onions, which shouldn't grow together, but they are. Or are they shallots? Yeah, shallots, sorry. Yeah. Now, I've got some beans in here. And these potatoes, in amongst the elephant garlic, or is it the other way around? Now, I've looked and I did not plant any potatoes here this year. And I didn't buy any. So I've gone through my old records and it seems like these are probably Kestrel. So I'm going to put you on a tripod and, well, do a potato reveal because I need this space for beetroot. If these aren't Kestrel, I haven't got a clue what's going on. So I think there's a lot of bindweed in here, or it could just be Morning Glory. Because I planted Morning Glory some time back. Right, it's bindweed. The Morning Glory I had was purple flowered. Yes, that looks like Kestrel. Yeah, definitely. You see that? I'll get them all out in a minute. Be careful with these beans here. This could take a while, guys. Well, in the end, I took the lot out because even those beans, they were unknown beans, and it turns out they are long beans, which call them climbing beans, I think. So, trying to get most of the bits of bindweed out now as well. Horrible stuff, isn't it? At least it's all severely weakened now anyway. I might leave a few of these spuds in here, you know. It's nice getting these surprise harvests. Yeah, I took the garlic up as well. It's already had its scapes, so I think they get much better. Nice to see loads of worms in here anyway. Right, I'll leave it like that for a bit. Put a net on top and see what grows. But here's the spuds. So, like I say, not bad for a surprise harvest. That one's probably the only one that's got any scab, which is a bit weird, really. Yeah, definitely Kestrel. Oh, there's a few got scab. I don't know what that is. Yeah, I didn't see it. I didn't see it when I was lifting them, so. No matter, I'll sort out the best ones and I might even save a few for next year again. Mind you, I've probably left so many behind that there's enough in there anyway for next year. And have a quick look at the garlic as well. Sorry about the sun, but it's a awkward blooming place at the moment. So, again, I'll save some of these for next year. I might even start a fresh batch. Some of these rounds, I'll save those. Hang on, let's get them out there. Yeah, I'll save that one as well. In fact, you know something? They're all rounds, apart from that one. So, I'm going to save all them and eat that one. There we are then, guys. Let's get a net over this or something. Well, there we are, guys. Net down. I bet that won't stop a cat, so I bet they'll still go on top. But maybe the garlic will put them off, because it is quite whiffy, that garlic, actually. Just been disturbed, hasn't it? Right, that's me for now. Got to take my lone bike back to Stroud in a minute, so catch up with you soon.